VickyJ here. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm doing a collab with a company that reached out to me. Now you guys know I love a good bra, and if you guys missed my last video, I'm gonna put it up in the cards. You guys can go ahead and check it out. And you know, beside bras, you know, there are little things called covers for your girls. And yeah, this is not kid friendly, so if you got your kids around, you should want to exit them right out of the room. Not kid friendly. Yeah, so this company by the name of Boomba reached out to me and wanted to know if I would like to collab, do a little review on this little product that they sent me here. Now it's really neatly packaged and really nicely packaged in this little box here, guys. Very slim, as you guys can see, so you know what we're working with. Now they reached out to me, wanted to know if I'd like to collab with them and review this product. Depending on, you know, the type of outfit you're wearing, you know, you might just want something to just cover a certain part. You just don't want to have anything protruding, if you know what I mean. Basically it's just like it. I know a lot of you ladies, you guys know about petals and all of this stuff. I mean, some people are for it, some people are not for these kinds of particular things, and you know, depending on size and, you know, things like that, you know, you maybe feel really uncomfortable wearing something of this sort. Now the product comes in this little box here, guys, and when I take it out, this is how it actually looks here. Now it looks as though there's just one covering in here, but it's actually two. If I just open it up here, just separate it, if I can find how to open it up here. And I really like how it came packaged. You know, it's really concealed, something that's reusable, and you know, you can put them back into this holding canister and keep it fresh. And then there's another little lift that opens up right here, you know, so it separates both of them, so they're not actually laying on each other. They're actually separated by this little plastic shield right here. So, and it's easy, just compact, you know, again, you close it up like that. Okay, so this is how the actual product is. This is the nude. It looks just like skin. It's very thin. There is no adhesive on this, guy, so you just have to make sure that the skin around the area is very clean and dry and, you know, free of any moisture. Or lotion is a no-no. You don't want to be applying any lotion there. Make sure that it is very clean before going ahead and applying this on the area. Now it's also very seamless, so you know, when you put it on, it's not going to be protruding or showing up under your clothes or anything like that. It's a very concealed piece of material, so when you apply it, it's not going to be poking out under your clothes or anything, or you actually look as though you got something under there or whatever. It will stay in place depending on the outfit that you're wearing. You know, I still will not recommend wearing this with anything that's going to be loose fitting. You know, if you're wearing clothes that are literally just like glued to the skin, you know, this will definitely stay in place. You won't have a problem with it slipping down or falling out or anything like that. Now it's very much also reusable. This material is something that you can wipe clean with a towel, or you can probably just lightly wash it maybe in just a little cold water. Then you can store it back into its little holding canister. But it's very much reusable. I'm not sure as far as how many uses you can get out of this, but again, it all depends, I guess, on the person, your activities and things that you're doing and stuff like that. Now you see it does come a little curve. It will curve to your body, so it does have the little gaping indentation here. And a closer look at the inner part of the product here. That's how it looks on the inside. It's pretty smooth, and this is how the outside look. It's more of a matte look on the outside of strip, and the inside has a little more gloss to it. Again, there is no glue used to apply or attach this onto the skin. Now, in case I forgot, this is the Magic Nipple Covers, and it definitely lives up to the content lists that I just mentioned. Now, I'm wearing this dress, guys, something that I picked up over the summer that I did not get to wear because there's nowhere to go. There's nowhere to go. I love the dress. Now I'm just using this dress as more of an example because, you know, jersey materials are very revealing. You know, they can really kind of enhance certain parts of your body. It's a very risky material, if I should say. Very risky, and you know, because it's not a material that can like hold on to you, give you any type of support or snugness. You know, you have to literally conceal yourself underneath it on your own and be conscious of what you're doing. This is a dress that I'm wearing that I really like. There is no padding in this dress whatsoever, so it's literally just me, my skin, and this dress, you know. And whatever you want to put underneath, just make sure that it's not really like showing up, because that too can just make the entire outfit just like, you know, go downhill and look awful. Let's stand up and let you guys see how my boobs is looking right now in this dress without any type of protection. Okay guys, so this is how the dress is looking on me right now. I'm not wearing any type of support. My boobs are literally just on its own in this fabric. And you guys know what we ladies deal with. You know, this is what we deal with, guys, sometimes, depending on what you're working with. As you can see, I have a little bit of protrusion, a little bit here. Not that we're going to like, you know, elaborate and emphasize too much on that, but you guys get where I'm coming from, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put these little things on, and I'm gonna come back and you guys are gonna see the difference. Okay guys, so boob on this side, I'm wearing the Boomba nipple cover. Boob on this side is without. So you can see the difference. One has cover and the other one doesn't. So you can see how much of you know, coverage I can get just from having that on. So it does make a lot of difference actually. It's not moving around and it feels pretty comfortable. It's not even giving any kind of observation that I'm actually wearing something of the sort under here. So as you can see, that's just an example I gave you guys of how it actually looks with the nipple cover and without the nipple cover. It does make a whole difference. I use this dress more as an example. It was just the perfect material, the perfect color. This yellow color is still a little bit kind of see-through. So this nude color is not actually giving any kind of obvious giveaway that I'm wearing something of the sort underneath there. So it actually works out. So I'm just gonna put the other one on and I'll be right back. Okay guys, here I am and I'm wearing both of the covers right now. As you can see, there's no protrusion or anything of the sort. And I think it looks really good. It's really comfortable. And yeah. A little risky, but at the same time, it worked out. The only thing with this is that it does have a little bit of lift here and there. It could be a little more adhered to the skin, but then again, it all depends on the size of your boob and the shape of your boob and things like that. So that too has a part to play as far as how this product is going to form and fit on the actual area itself. The clothes itself helps to keep it close to the skin. But again, any type of rigorous activities or anything like that, wearing it, I'm not sure how it's going to hold up. But so far, wearing it with this dress, it really works out. This product is also very simple and easy, and it's not painful or anything. You're not going to be taking it off, and you're not going to feel as though you want to take your nipples with it, or you just lift it right off. So this is a very easy application, and removing it is easy as well. So I think that it's pretty much a go. There will be a discount code in the description. If you guys are interested in this product, you can go down there and use my code and get a little percentage off of this product if you like it. So you girls knock yourself out, and you can go ahead and get yourself one of these. I think that it's doing its job right now and it's working out. So yeah, in the meantime, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that bell on your way out to be notified of all my future videos, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.